Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, July 9th, 2021. It is 3:53 and 59 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, light therapy. So let's hop to it here. Research scientists show how light therapy treats depression in mice model. Light activates the circadian clock gene period 1 in a brain region that affects the mood. Date July 8, 2021. Source, PLOS. Light therapy can help improve the mood of people with seasonal affective disorder, SAD, during short winter days. But exactly how this therapy works is not well understood. A new study finds that light therapy's beneficial effects come from activating the circadian clock gene, period 1, in a part of the brain involved in mood and sleep-wake cycles. Nighttime light has strong effects on the physiology and behavior of mammals. It can reset an animal's circadian rhythms, and in the form of light therapy, affects mood in humans. The researchers investigated how nighttime light impacts mood, using mice as a model. They exposed mice to a pulse of light at different points during the night, and then tested them for depressive behavior. The researchers discovered that light exposure at the end of the dark period, 2 hours before daytime, had an antidepressant effect on the animals. The pulse of light activated the period 1 gene in a brain region called the lateral habenula, which plays a role in mood. Light at other times, however, had no effect. When they deleted the period 1 gene, the mice no longer experienced the light's beneficial effects. The new results provide evidence that turning on period 1 in the lateral habenula is a key to light's mood-boosting powers. The discovery that mice appeared to be less depressed when exposed to light at the end of the dark period than the beginning is similar to findings in humans. Light therapy is more efficient in the early morning than in the evening for patients with SAD. However, the researchers caution against making too many direct comparisons to humans, since mice are nocturnal animals. The researchers add, light perceived in the late part of the night induces expression of the clock gene period 1, which is related to improvement of depression, like behavior in mice. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.